These shapes follow a pattern. What is the rule for the next shape in this pattern? Okay, so let's find out what the pattern is. And the most simple way to explain it would be to use a diagram sort of outside of our T's here. Let's start. You can see that I've drawn axes already in green. These go down the middle of the T and sort of help you explain where it is that the T is pointing and hence which direction the pattern is going. So let's draw a little map here. In the first question, the first sort of shape in this pattern is pointing straight downwards, like 1. Then it's pointing here at 2. Then it's pointing here in 3. And then eventually straight upwards in 4. Now you can see that we've broken up this 180 degrees straight line into 3 sections, meaning that each of these is 60 degrees. As you can see, as 4 has ended up being straight upwards. Now, this of course continues in 5. As you can see, 5 is pointing straight up like that. And so, in the next shape, we can expect the front of that T to be pointing to the bottom left somehow. So, the rotation that we're expecting is again another 60-degree rotation anti-clockwise. So our answer is A. A 60-degree anti-clockwise rotation.